Hi, I'm Jeff Scott from Sussex Installations. Today's video is about our gold package for the Citroen Berlingo and Peugeot Partner, the model that ran from around 2008 through to 2018. So with this van, what we've done is we've implemented a multi-strategy security approach as part of our gold package. We've added some extra security deadlocks, an extra layer of mechanical security to the van, which is here. So basically, if they get the door in the open position, the door just opens that little bit and the deadlock stops the door from continuing to open. These deadlocks also, there are hook style deadlock. This is the new hook style deadlock and it's got the deeper hook on it, and that's just making it a lot more difficult in case somebody wants to attack the deadlock. So it's just making it more secure, and these new hook style deadlocks are fitted for both the load area doors of this van, the rear barn door and also on the side load door here. So same type of thing on the side load door. If the deadlocks are on, it means that if someone manages to get the door open on this van, they get past the manufacturer's lock-in, they've got this extra layer of mechanical security. The door just opens that little bit. So that's really important, I think, to have those deadlocks on there. Also, the other thing is we've tried to make this van more secure with the manufacturer's existing lock-in. So this van would have lock-in from the remote control. So that's what people would mostly use. You can lock the van, press the button again, second press, and that's the factory deadlock-in activated. But what is the problem is that this van actually has manual barrels. So the manual barrels which are on this van, they're in the handle. There's one here on the driver's door, there's one on the passenger's door, and there's one on the rear barn door. And if any one of these barrels are attacked by thieves, it's going to activate the factory central lock-in, which is going to unlock all the doors on the van. So they might be attacking the doors on the front here, and that is actually making your load area tools vulnerable. It's unlocking the load area of your van. So what we've done is we've done our electronic modification here. So I've turned this into the unlock position. The front doors have unlocked, but the back doors, the load area is still locked. So that's securing this barrel on the driver's door. So that door's open, and the other front door will be open, but the back, your load area is still locked. Side load door is locked, and the barn door is locked. So that's really important, I think, is having that extra part, keeping the manufacturer's lock of your van, the lock-in locked, separating those two front door barrels from the central lock-in of your van. So the driver's barrel, the manual barrel that you don't even use, the passenger one that you don't even use, they're not becoming a thing that's making your load area of your van vulnerable. The back barn door actually also had a barrel on there as well, and what we've done is we've actually fitted an Armaplate Sentinel. This is a bolt through the body type product. It's bolted in, there's a shield on the inside as well, and that's securing the actual manual lock on the back door. Our electronic mod securing the manual locks on the front driver's door and the front passenger door, and then us adding that extra layer of security to the load area in the form of our new style hook deadlocks. The dimple security type of key, and that's going to make this van a lot more secure. In addition to that, actually, it's got an alarm system on the van already, which is something which we did not fit on this occasion. And we've also, for this particular customer, fitted some extra deadlocks to the cab area of the van. So not included in the gold package, but it's something that he wanted as an extra because, well, it was advised really, because there's no actual bulkhead separating the front and the back of the van on this instance. So if you don't have a full metal bulkhead separating the load area from the front of the van, you might also consider it a good idea to have the deadlocks on the front of the van. So again, same type of thing, deadlock on, the door just opens up that little bit and the deadlock stops the door from continuing to open. If you'd like security for your Citroen Berlingo, your Peugeot Partner, or any other vehicle, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. We have mobile installations throughout the south east of the UK, including London, and we have a workshop facilities in Eastbourne. You can also go online and order some parts from the website.